What I'm doing here is installing the spike aeration wheel. It's exactly like the core aeration wheel because they all have the very same hub with sintered bushing on the inside. First, what you do is you pop off the hubcap. Plastic tool always works best. Got to do this one-handed because I had carpal tunnel surgery there yesterday, so obviously don't operate on this arm. Some of you might have this nut with the washer that's welded to it or as one piece, and sometimes that does not fit through. Oh, that's too heavy. Does not fit through this center section. So that being said, you would then want to purchase an exact fitting nut or nylock nut, which has a nylon piece on the inside that prevents the nut from spinning off. You then pop off your wheel. How do you do this with one hand? Very carefully. This is a drive wheel, that's not required. You then put the aeration wheel and or spike aerator on the axle. Oh yeah, that's gonna be heavy. Ah! Just like that. Now the washers are to prevent this wheel from sliding back and forth. You would then put those extra washers that are provided, which are the large ones, use 1, 2, or 3 in behind the hub. You can see here it's actually a pretty decent fit. So what I would do then is put on the smaller washer provided, and then the nylock nut and or this nut, which does fit with the washer welded to it because it does fit inside of the hub. You then tighten it up 15 to 20 foot-pounds, or just do that and that should be enough. If you don't have enough thread sticking out, get yourself one of these nylock nuts. They're really nice because it doesn't spin off and there'll be no back and forth play. That's pretty much a quick demo on what would be required.